Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your added passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, just click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!